Diagnosing vehicles with electrical problems require a wide variety of tools, meters, and testers. Using a DVOM or test light can possibly tell you if a part is bad, but it cannot tell you if it is truly good under actual operating conditions. The most reliable way to test parts such as lights, motors, fans, or relays is to apply power and ground directly to the component, verifying its correct operation under real-world conditions. To do this test, many technicians use long jumper wires, often without fuses, potentially causing dangerous shorts or damage to wiring. PowerPro uses the vehicle's battery to safely supply 12 to 24 volt circuit breaker protected power or ground directly to the circuit or component. Testing is accomplished easily by rocking the switch forward to supply battery power or rearward to activate ground. The auxiliary ground lead supplies a constant ground. This makes checking components in your hand quick and easy. Verify the operation of tail lamps, window motors, electric mirrors, and seat motors under real-world conditions.